guys, welcome to another video. Today's the first day of face cam. So and okay, today we're playing My Singing Monsters and we're gonna see. So they're gas back technically, and I'm like, what? That's so cheap. That's $35 for gas, the rare gas. That is cheap. So let's see this. We're gonna. We're just gonna go to a different end now. And we're just gonna collect the coins. Alright. We're gonna go. Let's just clean it up. Hey guys. Thank you, King, because I want you to see me happy. So right now, let's just look at this song. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. See you later.